Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quinn here, and today I'm here to show you all the memory planner that I chose for the year 2023. And I wanted to share this because I feel like I'm the only one who decided to go disc bound. Like, I haven't seen any planner stacks for 2023 that includes the memory planner with the disc bound. Of course, I've seen the memory planner book that 7x9 from Sadie'S stickers, but it's the coiled one, the B6, or the insert. So I wanted to share these. Basically the same format. The discs are from Fancy Planning, I think that's her name. Let me find the paper. Sissysprintsco. Yes, so the discs are from Sissysprintsco. You get 9 in the pack, and this is how the first page looks. I really love this. I love the font of it. Let me zoom in so you can see. Like, I love that typewriter font. That is really nice. And then you get your dashboard. Well, before that, it's just blank. You can do your thing there. Even add some vellum to it. Very nice. And then let me actually zoom back out because now it's not wanting to focus. Okay, there it is. So of course you also get your grid. Let me scoot this over. Get your grid on one side before you go into your monthly. And look at that monthly layout. So because I did the dated version, I will only be able to decorate on this side of my monthly, which is fine. The January script, the font in this is beautiful, so I won't have to worry about that. If I only want to do like journaling things, I can always keep the script if I want to. So for my monthly, it is a Sunday through Saturday start. And then for my weekly, it is Monday through Sunday. So it looks really good. Again, the same font there. You get a lot of room to decorate at the top. And then your 3 morning, afternoon, evening with the line there. I love having the line to kind of be able to put things on straight. So yes, I love that about the planner. Now for me, I had the option, just flipping through it, nothing to see, but for me, I had the option to either do planner covers from the Happy Planner. I did have a lot of, well, I won't say a lot, I had about 4 to 5 covers that I could have used, but I like the option to do the clear cover, and I love seeing a very clean clear cover. So this isn't super clear, but it's like a frosted version, and I shared this on Instagram. Basically, I added some vellum. That was it, vellum? Yes, a vellum sheet from Michael's, and then this is just the Scott laminate paper or plastic, and I ran that through my laminator just one time, and I put it in my Cricut to go ahead and cut a classic size cover. And then I went ahead and hole punched everything with my Happy Planner punch, and it turned out so good. It turned out so good, and of course I can make more if I want to, but that is an option if you want to do clear covers. So it's the front, that's the back, nothing really to see. I just like how simple and clean it is, but I just really wanted to come on, share this disc bound. It looks so good and I cannot wait to use it. It's so good. I really love it. So that is it. I just wanted to come on and share my memory planner for 2023. I hope you all enjoyed this small little video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.